Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, TJ's Life, and I am TJ. Today I will be doing my weekly check-in and my budget by paycheck workbook. So let's go to the month view. And I'll be doing my weekly check-in for the week of January 21st through the 27th. And I do have some things already pre-prepped. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I just need to pull out, let's see here. It's the 21st through. Alright, I need these 2 pages here. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these out. And then I'm going to also pull out the month overview, just so we can have a little space here. Okay. Hope everyone is okay. I want to say thank you to all the new subscribers, and thank you also to my returning subscribers or viewers. Alright, so the 21st through the 28th. Got some things I need to fill in, so let me get this out the way. Alright, so starting, okay, I have to look at both pages. Okay, the 21st. So on the 21st, I had a miscellaneous spend. I had one stop for $20.06. And is that the one that I'm missing? That's the one that I'm missing, of course. So I'm just gonna fill it in with this here. I thought I had one for this one, but anyway. Okay. One stop. And I spent $20.06. I'm gonna write this out later and put the proper sticker right there. Okay, on the 21st. And then no spend on the 22nd. Then on the 23rd, I had my auto pay for YouTube. Okay, nothing there. Then on the 24th, I had my auto pay, which was also my payday. My auto pay for Canva. And so let's see here. I also went to Aldi, and I spent, okay, Aldi, 1936. I have some new stickers coming. I'm still waiting on them. I ordered them. I ordered 2 things on the same date, and I received each from 2 separate Etsy shops. And I already received the one, but I hadn't received the other, and they were both ordered the same day from a different Etsy shop. So I had to contact the lady from the Etsy shop saying, well, a week has passed, or maybe a little over a week, and I said I still hadn't received my stickers yet. So she's, I guess she checked her records or whatever, and she said that she felt like I should have received it, and she felt like she thought that maybe it was delayed due to the storms that were passing through. So she put in, said that she was going to send out another set, and I still haven't even received the first set. Even right now, I still haven't received it yet. So I guess whenever they come, if neither one comes by the end of this week, I'm just gonna ask for a refund, basically, because yeah, I feel like that's too long for me to have wait. Okay. Anywho, so let me go back to. Okay, so still on the 24th. I have no idea. I'm just going to have to highlight these, and I did not want to do that, but So let's see here. So 50. Cause now this doesn't look right to me. Okay, and then my Cash App, which was an auto pay. See, okay, I'm just gonna have to fill it in. Okay, so on the 24th, this was actually due this day, and I paid $157.50. Google Play. Let me see, which one was that? Okay, that came out on the 24th. And I'm gonna highlight these. Google Play. It's $2.12. I'm just gonna put it right here. Afterpay. I ordered something from the Happy Planner. $16.50. And then I paid also Dish $23.10. Okay, I paid $223.10. And then let's see, Circle K $26.12. Okay, that also was this day. Let's see, try to put it like right there. I'm gonna fix that. Okay. Or how about we notice this is payday, and I'll just set it right here. And then Canva was an auto pay, and that came out. Then okay, I have another. Okay, I got that there. Okay. All right, and then also had to pay something out. That was also on the 24th, $20. Okay, is that it for the 24th? That's it for the 24th. So now we're gonna move on to the 25th. I ordered myself some lunch from Uber Eats. So we're gonna put this here. Let's see, it's the 25th. 25th. And then I also went to Circle K. $13.06 on the 25th. Right here. Then, so the 26th, go back to the 26th, 24, 25, so the 26th, oh, that's right there. But that basically was the only thing, so I still consider this a no stand. So, let me pull out stickers for that. Okay, span 26. And then we're going to move on to the 27th. So the 27th, I had another unbudgeted $20. $20. 27th, another unbudgeted, and $20. Okay, that was the 27th. And then I also went to Save a Lot on the 27th. So that goes there. And then 2204. 2204. Miscellaneous spend. There. And alright, that's all for that. All the way up to the 27th. Alright, that's all of that. So I'm just gonna have to highlight these things. A couple of things here. So, oh, I just remembered something else too. I paid her 40 there. Alright, so we're gonna highlight this expense. Then we're gonna highlight this and this, and then my auto pays are pink, so pink, auto pay and auto pay. Okay, and I have another miscellaneous right here. Miscellaneous. Right there. And I see something here. I'm gonna look at this again. I want to make sure I got everything. Ego. Oh, okay. That's something else. All right. All right. So here we are for this week. So I just gotta total up these things here and fill in for my weekly check-in. That's stuff out the way, and that there. So for expenses, we got $50 plus $40 plus 23.10 equals 313.10. Clear. All right, next is going to be auto pay. So we got YouTube, Canva, Google Play, and Cash App equals 187.54. Grocery 19.36 and 107.85 equals 127.21. Eating out 16.69. That's next. Miscellaneous 20.06. Then we got 26.12. Then we got 13.06. And then 22.04 equals 81.28. And then unbudgeted 20 there. Let me see. 10 and then 20 equals $50 even. Okay, and that's all for that part here. And then, like I said before, I've been using this just to show how you can, you know, budget, using a budget kit. Ooh, ooh, bless me. Alright, so now I'm going to take these numbers here and put them on here. And then we're going to do the subtraction and everything here, okay? So 313.10. Auto pay 187.54. Miscellaneous 81.28. Grocery 127.21. Eating out 16.69. Unbudgeted $50. Done with that part. And now it's time for the subtractions here. I hope you guys can see this. Okay, so now, I had 558.25 left from last week. So 558.25, and I'm gonna minus 313.10, and that's gonna give me a balance of 245.15. And then same thing here. So for auto pay, last week I had 382.67 minus 187.54 equals 195.13. 533. Oops. 533.13 minus 81.28. Minus 81.28 equals 451.85. And then next we're going to go to grocery. Okay, so last week 88.68 minus, and I spent 127.21 equals, so I overspent by $38.53. And then what's next? Eating out, 250.32 minus 16.69 equals 233. Now what did I? Hold on, let me do this over. Okay, so eating out, I had 250.32 minus 16.69 equals, okay, 233.63. And then for unbudgeted, I had 139 minus 50 equals $89. Okay, and then basically that is it. It's my weekly check-in. Not too bad, I would say. And it at the end of the month, it'll all look like completely. You'll see what I'm talking about when I get to that point. But yeah, I just wanted to come in real quick and do a weekly check-in. Those are my numbers for this week. I can't believe January is practically over. And then, so I'll be back to finish off the last week here of January for next week. And then that'll be, you know, then I'll be getting ready to get my budget set up for February. So that's all for today. I'm rambling. Once again, if you stay to the end, thank you so much. And if you're just still stopping through and peeking and everything, why don't you just go ahead, hit the notification bell, and then hit the bell notification one more time, just so that you can receive an update every time I post a new video. So until next time, bye-bye.